Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. In this video, you will watch the different tips and trick regarding to S9 and S9 Plus. So, let's get started. Number 1 is swiping down from anywhere for notifications. Like people, when you swipe down from the home screen, you got to app drawer. However, if you long press the wallpaper, home screen setting, you can tap the toggle on quick open notification. Now, when you swipe onto your home screen, you quickly get the notification. Number 2 is installing the dual messenger apps like some other Android phones. If you like to install 2 clones of same app, this is very useful for personal and business accounts for certain messengers. The easiest way to activate it, head to Settings and search Messenger, and then go to Advanced Setting. Tap on the setting and any supportive apps will appear in the list with toggles next to them. Choose whatever app you want, and it will immediately clone that. Next up is the landscape home page. One of the new software features with the S9 is the ability to have your home screen work in the landscape mode. To enable it, long press the home screen and go to home screen settings. Now deactivate the portrait mode only toggle, and when you rotate your phone on the home screen, it goes landscape. Number 4 is separating Bluetooth music from phones app. With the S9, when play with the Bluetooth speaker or your phone, you set the music only go to the speaker, and rest of your alerts and notifications keep playing with the phone's loudspeaker. Next to the setting, sounds and vibrations, separate apps, then choose the app you want to separate. Next up is enabling and controlling Dolby ATMOS. Next to the setting, sounds and vibrations, and then the sound quality, and here you can customize it a little. Auto, movie, music or voice, or how you want to choose. You can also use the equalizer to control them to your choice. Number 6 is enabling full screen resolution. By default, the S9 has its resolution set to Full HD+. To enable its full resolution, have settings display, then screen resolution. Now choose the Quad HD Plus option from the list, and it'll be running at its sharpest possible resolution. Number 7 is enabling edge lighting. Like old Galaxy phones, there's an edge screen, and you can have it light up when you receive a call or a message. Head for Setting, Display Edge Screen, and Edge Lighting. Here you can choose what style of lighting you want, and which apps it will notify you about. So, if your phone is regularly placed down, you'll still see important notifications. Next is enabling Wi-Fi calling. If you are on a network or carriers that support Wi-Fi calling, then open the setting menu by pressing the 3 little dots at the top and scroll down to Wi-Fi calling. Now, all your calls and text will be made through Wi-Fi. Number 9 is changing your home screen grid size. If you're not happy with the number of apps on your screen, tap to the home screen setting and go to home screen grid, and you have different additional options to choose from. Number 10 is adding the apps back button. If you like having a back button and your app drawer stay in your home screen, now you can choose apps button. Now you can select to show it and have it permanently in the dock on your home screen. Number 11 is removing the navigation keys. By default, you have your home back and recent app keys in the little dock at the bottom. The screen to hide it and have it only come up when you swipe it up. Double tap the little dots on the left, then just skip through the next few screens that appear. You can bring it up again when you want, or just double tap the dock and have it stay there permanent. Samsung has a feature called Video Enhance, so it does what the name suggests, improving the image quality of videos, making them brighter and more vivid. In any video, to turn it on, head to Settings, Advanced Features, and toggle Video Enhancer on. Number 13 is adding or removing camera shooting modes. Open the camera, hit the little settings cog, and choose Edit Camera Modes. Now you can select remove and change the order of what appears, including shooting in regular slow-mo mode that shoots a slower frame rate without a higher resolution, then super slow. Next up is using the camera shutter buttons to zoom in and out. It's cool and easy. All you have to do is drag the shutter button up and down to smoothly zoom in and out in the camera app. Last but not least is changing the recent apps view. If you'd rather have a long list of recent apps, open the recent apps view, tap the three dots in the corner, now choose list view, and it changes the appearance. Of course, there are many other tips and things. Many of them are listed in our full written guide, which I'll leave a link below in the description box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.